Oprah Winfrey has dominated TV, launched a network, gave women an excuse to drink wine excessively after pretending to read books. But can she pimp slap whores in a Peoria, Illinois brothel? We're about to find out in Oprah Winfrey Pimp Slapping Whores.
Oprah is going to be in the new Richard Pryor biopic.
Yes, the comic icon is getting his own movie.
Mike Epps has been announced that he's going to be playing Richard Pryor.
Somebody better tell Chadwick Boseman, because we're pretty sure he's already doing massive amounts of cocaine and setting himself on fire. Anyway, Oprah.
She's going to be playing Richard's grandma.
His grandmother ran a brothel, was a pimp, and bitch slapped a bunch of prostitutes. Used to beat Richard.
It's a heartwarming story about family. Only one problem.
I'll say it. People are unsure that Oprah can pull off the bitch, prostitute slapping pimp.
What? What people? We want names!
Who thinks she cannot do it?
Is Oprah Winfrey going to have to pimp slap a bitch?
Mike! Walter, she can do anything.
Yeah, she was in The Butler and The Color Purple.
I gotta be completely honest, I've never seen The Color Purple.
It doesn't play in Orange County.
Orange County. It's like the 1950s, but with Applebee's. So good luck, Oprah. Sure hope you can pull it off. Okay, you'll pull it off,